Hey everybody, this is Brandon from Ageras, and today we are going over 5 mistakes you might be making doing the accounting for your business. Looking for an easy way to find an accountant for your small business? Head to Ageras.com to receive your 3 free quotes from our large source of trusted accounting professionals. Ageras, finding an accountant has never been easier. So if you're running your own small business, you might be doing all of the accounting for it, which could be a source of stress for you and take away from what you actually want to do, which is, grow your business. Here at Ageras, we've worked with over 100,000 small businesses who have been in very similar situations. So today, we're going to be covering the 5 mistakes that you might be making that, once resolved, can help you get the best benefit out of your books. Mistake number 1 is doing your bookkeeping inconsistently. A problem a lot of small business owners have when they're doing their own bookkeeping is doing them inconsistently or procrastinating when they need to do them. Now, we all know how important accounting is, but a lot of the times it's something that can be pushed aside and forgotten until a later point in time. Bookkeeping needs to be done consistently to provide maximum value to your business. If not done regularly, you will not have nearly as much benefit. Now, the takeaway here is to come up with a routine and stay disciplined. It is very important to be consistent with your bookkeeping if you want things to run smoothly later on. So mistake number 2 is actually refusing to go digital with your bookkeeping, especially if you've been keeping your books the traditional way with paper receipts and doing everything in a physical document. Digitizing your bookkeeping may seem a little intimidating, especially if you've been keeping your books the old way, but once everything is imported and is said and done, it's way more simple to keep track of your records. So whether you're doing your own bookkeeping or using an accountant, there's really no reason to keep those records on paper. So not only is it less time consuming, there's actually less paper clutter, and it's way easier to search for a document from a previous point in time. As an additional bonus, doing your accounting and bookkeeping online grants you access to your finances on the go, so wherever you are, you have access to that information. Now, mistake number 3 is a little different. It's not using your business card. No, not the one with all your information on it, but the actual business credit card that you have. Using cash or a card not related to the business for business expenses could usually cause a hassle down the line. Also, when paying with your business card, your bank statement actually becomes a very valuable resource as it displays a lot of your purchase information in one spot. If you deviate from using your business card too often, it could make accounting for your business a little bit of a headache. Not only will it make your accounting more time consuming, but you could miss important transactions. Also, using your business card allows you to keep your personal and your business expenses separate. This helps reduce confusion and can also make it easier to find tax breaks come tax season. Now, mistake number 4 is a little broad. It's seeing your accounting as a chore versus a tool for growth. Now, among all of the businesses that we talk to, we see a very common trend, and that's most people don't realize the importance of keeping proper books. The biggest reason to do your accounting is not because somebody else demands it. It's actually for yourself and for your company. Now, while doing your books is a necessary evil, it's actually very important to keep things running smoothly. It's a very crucial asset to your business. Through accounting, you can actually see which way your company is heading, whether it's doing really well or you need to make some changes. Knowing this information is crucial because it can help you answer a lot of the questions you might have to take your company to the next level. Now, the last mistake, number 5, is not hiring a professional accountant. I've saved the most important tip for last, and that's getting help from a professional who knows everything about the industry you're in and the accounting that is needed for it. Now, if you keep your books organized from the start, it's usually very affordable to find an accountant for your company. Also, it'll end up paying for itself a few times over within no time. When you find the right accounting partner, not only is it beneficial because you can get tips and answers to your questions whenever you have them, but it's actually very useful in general because they can help reduce your taxes. Getting an accountant can open up a lot of your valuable time. You no longer have to spend all your time doing your bookkeeping and your accounting, and you can do what you want to do, which is develop your business. If you find yourself guilty of any of the mistakes in this video, your best bet, honestly, is to get an accountant to run the finances for your business. Ageras can help you find that accountant. Just head over to Ageras.com and put in your information. Within a few business days, you'll get 3 free quotes from our trusted source of accountants. So thank you very much for joining us today as we go over the 5 common mistakes we see small business owners make when they're running their own bookkeeping and accounting. Now, if you liked the video, be sure to hit the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss any more content. Lastly, be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section if you have any questions for me whatsoever. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. This has been Brandon from Ageras. Thank you very much for joining me.